welcome to another Saturday Scribbles. This week I will be showing you how to beef up your holiday card envelopes or gift tags, however you use them. And we're going to start with a pre-made envelope. And what I like to do is go in and mark off where I'm going to have the return address, the to address, and the stamp. And for this card, I'm going to be doing some dangling Christmas lights. And so I just do some basic lines. They don't have to be completely straight. You could even make them curly. And then I go in and add the bulbs. And you can do the bulbs in outline, or you can just do them in the medium that you're going to have them in to make them look shinier, more light-like versus drawing-like, I guess. But yeah, so you can do it in the style that you would like and add as much detail as you would like, or you can keep it very simple. And just remember that one way to make it look like the lights are brighter is to color outside of the lines, like it did in the first part of the drawing. And on the back of the envelope, and of course this could be the front, I just showed you some ways that you could draw some snowflakes. And these two designs are less Christmassy, more just holiday. And so we have like little blobs of snow, or little stars, or snowflakes that are just lines with arrow tips at the end and little shiny bits around them. And then of course we have the more detailed version, which is just a bunch of diamonds, or diamond shapes rather. And of course you can get really detailed with the snowflakes, but I think that these are more doable if you're going to do multiple of them. Especially if you're going to do smaller ones, I think that these are the way to go versus the super complicated ones. But you can find all kinds of images for the complicated snowflakes if you want to learn how to do those. And I just colored these in. One was a blue-green color, but very, very, very light. And the other one was a cool gray tone, which I kind of liked more because snowflakes have like a blue cast of light on them, but they're not blue, but they're not white either. So I think the cool gray was the way to go, in my opinion. And if you don't have an envelope, but you have an old book lying around, and you don't know what to do with the old book, you can take out a page, and you can cut it out with a knife or scissors. Take out a page, and you can fold it, as I'm doing here, and whatever part sticks out from the triangular portion, cut it off so that you're left with a square. And we're going to make our own envelope with this book page. And this is from an aptly named book, Lydia's Party. It is my party indeed. So you just do the folding like I do here to create your envelope, and then you can finish it off with glue like I did, or you can finish it off with tape. This is a really small envelope because it is a small piece of paper. So they can be bigger or smaller. You can use magazine pages to do this as well, instruction paper, or regular printer paper. And I realized that my multi-purpose table is very stained looking. It's just from multiple cups of coffee, so don't be alarmed. But yeah, so you do your folding. If this is just going to be like a gift tag, then you don't have to worry so much about the glue folding the back to the inside, where you can't put anything inside. But if you are putting something inside, like a gift card, for example, then you want to be careful not to glue the outside flap to the inside of the envelope. You want to make sure that there's an empty space in there. And you can just stick your finger in there and make sure So for this one, I'm trading it as a gift tag since it's not very big. And so I'm just drawing a really simple Christmas tree on the front. And of course this would be better if you have a page that is covered in words front and back. It'll look much more interesting. But I used all the other pages for Christmas tree ornaments and my book trees video that's coming out on Monday. And so I worked with what I had. And again, this is very basic, very skinny looking Christmas tree. And I just outlined it with a Sharpie pen, nothing fancy. And you could go in and you could even do, instead of the strings, you could go in and draw like a little string of stars. Like they don't have to be connected, just a little string of stars. I think that would be really pretty. Then I decided to draw a fat penguin because who doesn't love a cute little chunky penguin? And for these, they're just kind of an egg shape. And then you draw the little flipper arms, and the little feet. You don't have to draw the feet. I think you'd be fine without them. But at least get the arms in there. Or wings, I guess. Sorry. And a cute little beak. And then I gave it a little scarf that looks more like a bath towel on this guy, but that's okay. I tried to make it look plaid. The fast and easy way to make something look plaid. And I gave it a little top hat because why not? Every penguin deserves a top hat, right? And then just did the eyes in pen. I put little blushies in there. Ta-da! You have your very own envelope. And your other envelope. Thanks for watching.